Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Siri Stopped Responding with voice after update iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri and select Prefer Spoken Responses. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Siri and search. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri. Enable Siri. Tap Continue. Hey Siri into your iPhone. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a time for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Tap Done. Tap Siri Responses. Select Prefer Spoken Responses. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.